Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel about investing, dividends and so on. Today we are going to dive into the world of ETFs or exchange traded funds and demystify everything you need to know about them. So what exactly is ETF? Well, think of it like a basket. Instead of buying individual stocks or bonds, an ETF lets you invest in collection of assets all at once. These assets could include stocks, bonds, or even commodities like gold or oil. One of the great things of ETFs is what they are traded on stocks exchanges, just like individual stocks. This means you can buy and sell them through the trading day at the market prices, unlike mutual funds, which are only priced at once at the end of the day. Now let's talk about why ETFs might be good investment choice for you. First off, they offer diversification. By investing in an ETF, you are spreading your money across a variety of assets, which can help reduce risk. Plus, since ETFs typically track an index or specific sector, they can provide exposure to different markets without needing to buy each individual stock or bond. Another benefit of ETF is their low cost. Unlike some mutual funds, ETFs often have lower expense ratios, which means you get to keep more of your investments' returns. Plus, because they are traded on exchanges, you can avoid certain fees associated with mutual funds, like sales lots. Now let's talk about how you can start investing in ETFs. It's really simple. All you need is a brokerage account, which you can easily open online. Once you have your account set up, you can search for ETFs you are interested in and buy shares, just like you would with individual stocks. Finally, let's address some common concerns about ETFs. Some people worry what they are too complex or risky, but in reality, ETFs can be straightforward and efficient way to invest. Plus, with so many different ETFs options available, you can find one that matches your investment goals and risk tolerance. And there you have it, folks. ETFs may seem intimidating at first, but hopefully this video has helped demystify them for you. As always, do your own research and consider consulting with financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos update. Bye!